Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of a versatile and ergonomic home office desk chair that promises to transform your workspace experience. This chair is designed with enhanced lumbar support, thanks to the extra sponge padding on the back, ensuring you remain comfortable and pain-free throughout your workday. Its rubber casters glide smoothly over various floor types, from wood and marble to carpet, providing silent and reliable movement while extending the chair's lifespan. The innovative 2-in-1 design allows you to customize your seating experience by choosing to install or remove the armrests, making it perfect for those who prefer a cross-legged seating position. Crafted with classic Poo diamond retro shape, this chair not only offers a waterproof and easy-to-clean surface but also seamlessly blends with any home or office decor. Installation is a breeze, and with 24-hour customer service, you can rest assured that any questions or concerns will be promptly addressed. Elevate your home office or workspace with this stylish and functional chair that caters to your comfort and aesthetic needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.